Good morning, students of class 10. In this period of mathematics, you have seen the explanation of cyclic properties of circle. You saw few theorems, and now we are solving the questions of exercise 4. In question number 1E, this figure is given and we are asked to find out this value. As in triangle ABD, AB equal to AD, therefore angle ABD will be equal to angle ADB equal to 40 degree. So we can find out angle BAD. Angle BAD equal to 180 degree minus 40 plus 40. 180 minus 80 equal to 100 degree. Now the sum of opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral equal to 180 degree. Therefore angle BAD plus angle BCD equal to 180 degree. Reason is opposite angles of a cyclic. This value we have 100 degree plus x equal to 180 degree. Therefore x equal to 180 minus 100 equal to 80 degree. Question number 2A, figure is given. O is the center, AB became the diameter, and ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral because all the vertices of this quadrilateral lie on the circumference of the circle. Angle ADB equal to 95 degree, angle ABC equal to x, and angle BAC equal to y. We are asked to find out the values of x and y. So first of all, angle ADC plus angle ABC equal to 180 degree, because these two are opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral, and we know the sum of opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral is equal to 180 degree. Therefore angle ADC plus angle ABC equal to 180 degree. Reason is written, opposite angles of a cyclic. This value is 95 and that is x, so 95 plus x equal to 180 degree. Therefore x equal to 180 degree minus 95 degree equal to 85 degree. X equal to 85 degree. Now we are saying angle ACB is angle in the semicircle, and angle in the semicircle is right angle, so angle ACB equal to 90 degree. 90 degree plus 85 degree. This is 85 degree. I got the value of x here above, 85 degree. So in this triangle, this plus this equal to 180 degree. Therefore I am writing here 90 degree. Angle in the semicircle 90 degree plus this is 85 degree plus y equal to 180 degree. 90 plus 85 equal to 175 plus y equal to 180 degree. Therefore y equal to 180 degree minus 175 degree equal to 5 degree. These two values become x equal to 85 degree, y equal to 5 degree. Question number 2C, this figure is given. In this figure, AD is the diameter and ABCD is the cyclic quadrilateral. All the vertices of the cyclic quadrilateral lie on the circumference. We are saying that angle ABC equal to x and angle BAD is y. These two values we are asked to find. In triangle we are saying, in triangle ACD we are saying AC equal to CD, and this angle, that is angle in semicircle, angle ACD is 90 degree. So I wrote in triangle ACD, angle ACD is 90 degree angle in the semicircle. AC equal to CD, these two sides are equal. Therefore angle CAD is equal to angle CDA is equal to A, that we have considered this value A. Then A plus 90, this plus this, A plus 90 equal to 180, 2A equal plus 90 equal to 180, 2A equal to 180 minus 90, 2A equal to 90 or A equal to 45 degree. Means these two angles CAD and CDA became 45 degree. Now we came into ABC and ADC. This we got here 45 degree, these two are the opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral. Angle ABC plus angle ADC equal to 180 degree. Reason is opposite angles of a cyclic. This is x and this is 45. So x plus 45 equal to 180 degree. Therefore x equal to 180 minus 45 equal to 135 degree. Now in triangle ABC, these two sides are equal. AB equal to BC. Angle BAC equal to angle BCA. Therefore, because these two sides are equal, so opposite angles of equal sides will be equal. Therefore, I wrote here angle BAC equal to angle BCA equal to B. This I have considered B. These two angles are equal, that is B. So in this triangle, B plus 135 equal to 180 degree, sum of angles of a triangle. 2B plus 135 equal to 180 degree. 2B equal to 180 degree minus 135 degree equal to 45 degree. Therefore, B equal to 22.5. So y equal to this angle plus this angle. This angle we got 22.5 degree, and that is 45 degree. So 45 degree plus 22.5 degree equal to 67.5 degree. So the values of x equal to 135 degree and value of y equal to 67.5 degree. Question number 2e, figure is given. In this figure, BD is the diameter, okay, anyway, and ABCD is the cyclic quadrilateral, in which angle ABD equal to 35 degree and ADB 50 degree, angle BAC 55 degree, angle BCD is Y, and angle DBC is X. We are asked to find out the values of x and y. For that, I came in triangle ABD in this triangle to get this angle, because these two angles are given. So third angle of the triangle equal to, that is angle BAD equal to 180 minus 50 plus 35. Region is sum of angles of a triangle equal to 180 degree. That's why. So 180 minus this sum became 85 equal to 95 degree. Then we see this BAD, this much we got 95 degree, and angle BAD plus angle BCD, this angle and this angle, both are opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral. Therefore, angle BAD plus angle BCD will be equal to 180 degree. Reason is written, opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral. For that, I wrote this, we got 95 degree from above 95 degree, and that angle is y. 95 plus y equal to 180 degree. So y equal to 180 minus 95, y equal to 85 degree. Now angle ABD, angle ABD equal to angle BDC equal to 35 degree. So in triangle ABDC, these two angles we can find out this angle. So for that, this became 85 degree, this is 35 degree. 85 plus 35 plus x equal to 180 degree. The sum of angles of a triangle equal to 180 degree. Therefore, this two sum became 120 plus x equal to 180 degree, and x equal to 180 degree minus 120 degree. This is being 60 degree. Just a minute. In my next video, I will find out the value of x. In this video, till y we got, the value of y became 85 degree. In my next video, I will solve the remaining part of this question to get the value of x.